Are you tired of juggling 10 different tools, paying hundreds every month, and still feeling like your AI marketing empire is just a hot mess? Well, what if I told you that for just $17, you could replace 25 plus expensive tools with one single dashboard and actually save thousands a year without crying into your coffee every morning? Stick around, because today I'm showing you how AI Titan could literally be your marketing Swiss Army knife. Hey everyone, I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've been in affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years, helping people crush it online without wasting money or time. In this video, I'm going to give you a full review of AI Titan, what it does, how it works, who it's for, and whether it's really worth your hard-earned dollars. By the end, you'll know if this tool is the game changer your business needs, or just another flashy dashboard that collects digital dust. Plus, stick around until the end because I've got some exclusive bonuses that are only available through my link in the description. Trust me, these are the kinds of bonuses that make your competitors jealous and your wallet happy. So what exactly is AI Titan? Simply put, it's an all-in-one AI platform that replaces everything from ChatGPT, Canva, and Midjourney to TubeBuddy, Fiverr freelancers, and even hosting services. Yes, you heard that right. It's basically your marketing, design, and automation team, all under one roof. It's perfect for solopreneurs who want to create content fast, agencies handling multiple clients, affiliate marketers tired of paying $50 plus monthly for a dozen different tools. Imagine having AI writing your blogs, creating eye-catching graphics, generating faceless videos, and even sending emails, all while you sip your coffee and scroll TikTok guilt-free. AI Titan works in 3 simple steps. Pick your tool. Want AI to write a blog, generate a video, or design a logo? Just click. Feed your prompt. Type in what you need, kind of like telling your AI butler exactly how you want your mansion decorated. Sit back and collect results. Hit generate, and boom, AI does the heavy lifting. Graphics, copy, videos, it's all done faster than your last Amazon delivery. Honestly, it's so easy a cat could probably use it, if only cats cared about marketing profits. Here's why AI Titan is actually worth your attention. Save thousands annually. No more paying $50 to $100 per month for separate tools. All-in-one convenience. Write, design, edit, and publish without switching tabs. Unlimited creative power, from faceless videos and podcasts to human-like voiceovers in 100+ languages. Client-ready capabilities. Build websites, funnels, and e-com stores with 200+ templates. Marketing automation. Emails, social posts, SEO, YouTube growth. AI handles it all. Basically, it's like having an entire digital agency in one dashboard, minus the awkward Zoom calls and the coffee-spilling interns. Now let's talk dollars. The front-end AI Titan costs $17 one time. Compare that with paying for individual tools. ChatGPT subscription, $20 to $50 a month. Canva Pro, $12 a month. TubeBuddy, $20 a month. Fiverr freelancer for video creation, $50 plus per gig. Add it all up, and AI Titan could save you hundreds, maybe thousands every single year. One dashboard, one price, 0 monthly headaches. If that doesn't make you feel like dancing in your living room, I don't know what will. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Smart ideas don't need noise. They just need clarity and courage.
We believe in empowering sustainable growth. With strategic insights and tailored solutions,
Attention food lovers, your new favorite dish is finally here. Every bite is made with 100% organic ingredients.
Indulge in a culinary journey like no other at Taste Buds.
Hey, tech lovers! Have you checked out AI Titan yet? It's your ultimate AI-powered solution to boost productivity and make life easier.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with just type your script to get started.
Don't miss out. Explore AI Titan.
Welcome to AI Titan Voice Cloning. Instantly creates stunning, lifelike voices with the power of AI. Experience the future of audio, your imagination, our technology.
Hello everyone, I have a big question today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom vroom!
Hey there. Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 25 plus premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to AI Titan, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built. That gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right, like ChatGPT launch full-blown AI video podcasts and babyface shows, designed like Canva and Midjourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo, and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like 11 Labs replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yup, all of it in one platform with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice to have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had two choices. Pay $500, $1,000 a month stacking 10 plus tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With AI Titan, you get it all. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000 plus a year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no BS. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create. A video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100+ languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75+ AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, SEO, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no basic plan here. This is the ultimate edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited. No caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to, launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools. AI Titan puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had. And you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below. Grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10+ platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without Mike, Cam, or crew. And if you're still watching this, it means you already know this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come twice. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly and absolutely no hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to AI Titan, the same tool replacing 6,000 plus worth of AI subscriptions. And yes, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk, no catch, just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is AI Titan, but that's not all. When you grab your copy today, bye. You'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $5,997. Absolutely free. These bonuses are limited to this special launch period. So once the timer hits 0, they vanish. So what are you waiting for? Step into the future of AI-powered business and automation, where 25+ powerful AI engines unite to write, design, speak, code, and sell for you. Click the button below to get instant access to AI Titan, your all-in-one business powerhouse for a crazy low one-time price. Act now. This offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
AI Titan also has some upsells if you want to take it to the next level. OTO1, unlimited, $57. Unlimited credits, unlimited projects, unlimited everything. Perfect for power users or agencies. OTO2, DFY, $147. Done for you setup, so you can sell high-ticket offers without lifting a finger. OTO3, Traffic, $37. AI-driven automated traffic system for non-stop visitors. Yes, the traffic comes to you while you binge Netflix. OTO4 Income Maximizer, $27. Preloaded funnels and ebooks to generate multiple streams of income. OTO5 Agency, $97 to $197. Start an AI agency, serve unlimited clients, and keep 100% of the profits. OTO6 Reseller, $67 to $97. Sell AI Titan yourself and pocket every dollar. OTO7 Mega Suite, $127. Unlock all advanced tools for ultimate scaling. Pick what fits your business, but honestly, even the $17 front end alone is insane value. Here's what I did personally. I tested AI Titan for a week and replaced 3 monthly subscriptions, writing, design, and video editing. I literally saved over $120 in the first week alone, and the results were polished enough to sell to clients. Plus, having everything in one place meant 0 switching tabs, 0 tech headaches, and yes, 0 crying into coffee. Full disclosure, AI Titan isn't for everyone. If you only ever post memes on Instagram, or you hate automation and learning new software, this might be overkill. But if you want to scale your business, save money, and dominate multiple marketing channels, this is a no-brainer. Imagine 6 months from now. Your content is automated, your marketing is on autopilot, your clients are happy, and your bank account is smiling. AI Titan can make that happen. But the only action left is yours. Grab it now through my link before the bonuses disappear. Seriously, don't be the person who watches others crush it while you're stuck juggling 10 tabs and crying into coffee. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tools that actually make money, and comment below if you'd use AI Titan to replace your entire marketing stack. Thanks for watching, and may your AI never crash while hosting NASA or your websites.